Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm showing you my top 5 best bras of 2018. I felt like this video was appropriate because there were 5 bras that really stuck out to me last year, and I felt like it would be helpful to share them with you guys if you're also interested in purchasing a new bra, or if you feel like, it's time to get a new one, or if you just want some new ideas for this upcoming year for bras. Most of you guys know that I'm really famous here on my channel for my bra series. I have a full playlist of videos that I have talked through about everything you need to know about bras, how to save money at Victoria's Secret, how to measure yourself for bras. There's a ton of different videos, and I'm planning on building that series over the next year, just to educate you guys more and more about bras, the options that you have out there. And I really want to test out new companies that are coming out with innovative bras and trying to make our life easier and more comfortable. So if you want to see my top 5 picks, then please keep on watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel for more videos from me, then definitely subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I am getting over a little bit of a cold, so please don't mind my voice, but definitely keep watching if you're interested. So let me tell you guys a little bit about my lifestyle. I'm an influencer, I'm a YouTuber, so I'm pretty much sitting at my desk most of the day on my computer, and then I'm also going out taking photos and outfit photos and different things like that, and then I'm also traveling a little bit here and there. It's not like crazy travel. I do have some short distance travel, like traveling to the west side for events and different things like that, and I also have been traveling like outside of the state a little bit over the last year. So with all of those things in mind, these are the bras that I felt like I wore the most. Now my bra wardrobe consists of, I would say, like 45 bras, right around there. Like I have a lot of bras, only because I've acquired so much from working at Victoria's Secret, also doing YouTube and my bra series. I get sent bras as well, so I like to test out new bras. I'm obsessed with bras. I think it's like one of the best things in the world when you can find your perfect size and style. I don't want to keep rambling on. I'm sorry. I tend to ramble on when I get excited about stuff, so let's just go in and talk about one of my first and favorite styles that unfortunately they don't make anymore, or I haven't seen it on their site recently. So this bra here is definitely my most worn bra in 2018. This is my True&Co bra. It's like a perfect coverage style. It's huge. Like if you look at the bra face compared to some of my other bras, this face is really big. I wore it in one of my thumbnails and I kept looking at that thumbnail like, wow, that's a big bra. It's like a big faced bra, You have different styles of bras. So you can have bras that are the exact same size, but because of the cut face, it could look smaller or bigger. Now this cut face is huge. I'll say that, like, it literally is the size of my face, honestly. I will say that this has been my most worn, most loved bra in 2018. It's so incredibly comfortable. The fit of it lays perfectly over my chest so that I don't get any bra lines, which is one of my favorite parts. Now in this group of bras, you'll notice that I have pretty much like t-shirt styles, only because I don't like those t-shirt lines. I find that with bras that are like a Demi style, which I've talked about before on my channel, like the Victoria's Secret Body by Victoria Demi, it cuts across at a sweetheart neckline. It's not like a teardrop shape, like a Y shape. It's more like a short kind of it's kind of more of like a half of a cup, short sweetheart neckline with straps. I find that those show my t-shirt lines a lot more. This has a beautiful lace coming over the top so that anytime I do lean forward or I'm sitting straight up, you won't be able to see those t-shirt lines. This gorgeous small itty bitty center gore makes it so incredibly comfortable when I do wear it. The wires never ever ever poke into me, which is one of my favorite features about this bra. You can notice that the wire it stops at such a low point of my chest. It's not a huge like U wire that goes from end to end and smiling. It's really short actually, and most of the bra face is just the actual fabric and lining of the bra. Now I will try my best to find a similar bra. I will talk to the person that I coordinate with at True&Co to see if they have this style or they're planning on coming out with it in 2019. Definitely my most worn. You can get 10% off with the code INMYSEAMS at checkout on True&Co.com. But my point is to say that if you're looking for a good everyday bra, go for a style that looks somewhat similar to this. I talked about the features and what I love so much about it. I mean, it's kind of dirty and it got like a hair in here. Just shows that I literally wear this all the time. Let's talk about the next style here. This is the Victoria's Secret t-shirt uplift Demi. Now I will say that this size is not my correct size. It's in a 32 double D. This is when I was a little bit smaller. I had lost a little bit of weight. I got this like it's either my sophomore or junior year of college, and I've graduated now, and it's almost going to be a year. It's been over 6 months since I graduated college. So just to show you that I do wear my bras for over years. You know, they say that the lifespan of a bra is 1 year, but I think if you take good care of your bras and they haven't shown any t-shirt lines yet, and like the fabric isn't ripping or tearing or anything like that, then I definitely think you can wear it longer. I will say that I love this bra again for the reason that it is a lot more teardrop shaped. It's got more coverage for me. It goes over my breast tissue and it sits right at the top of my breast so that it's not showing any lines. I find that with bras that kind of sit like right outside, like let's say this is what the cup shape look like, I find that bras that kind of cut across my chest like this show more lines than bras that look like this that are more teardropped and they kind of sit inside, they come all the way over my breast and then they sit on the inside where my chest would meet. That way that when a t-shirt lays over, it's not showing any lines because it's sitting right on top of the fabric, versus when it's outside like this, it has a tendency to show off that bra line even more. But overall, the shape and style of this bra is one of my favorites from Victoria's Secret. I think it's one that I know a lot of people love, but they don't really try it on as much. They always do the sale, the 2 for $59. I don't think the price has changed, but they always do that sale for this style, the t-shirt collection, which is a really great deal. So I love that there's no like bells and whistles on this one. There's no extra accessories or tags or this or that. Now, along with the t-shirt collection, you guys have seen this one since the beginning of my bra series. I still have it to this day, still wear it every single day. I will say that the size is too small for me. Again, it's in the 32 double D, and now I wear 34 double D or 32 triple D. I'm going to show you guys the difference between the perfect shape and just a regular Demi style. Demi meaning that it's lightly lined, it's not filled with like a padding or anything like that. This bra here like looks like a coconut bra. That's what I always like. That's the analogy I give when I'm talking about a perfect shape style. It's hard. It's like a coconut. It's molded. It's like firm like a cup, and your breast tissue will just fill what's inside of this already molded cup. However, with this kind of a bra, even though it may look the same, it's much more lightly lined. It's much more malleable like this. It's not as thick in terms of padding. If you're looking for a bra that's going to give you not necessarily a push-up, but it's going to give you kind of a really nice shape underneath your clothes. So you know how like when you wear a sports bra, you kind of get that uni boob style? If you're wearing a blouse or some sort of like dress or something where you want to look like your breasts are kind of like perfectly molded underneath a shirt, I highly recommend this. This looks amazing underneath a regular t-shirt. I find that with the t-shirt perfect shapes, it really gives you a feminine silhouette. Not to say that it's like the most comfortable bra in the world. I don't think that that's what it is. Neither is it claiming to be. But I think underneath a t-shirt, blouses, shirts, button-ups, whatever it is, dresses, I think this style has always looked very, very flattering on me. A very comfortable band, nothing too crazy. So I definitely want to go back in and get my right size and see the difference, how I like it. I have no problems with this one. Again, it's got the convertible straps on the back, which is one of my favorite features that Victoria's Secret offers. As I was saying on the push-up train, this here is the Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret. Now, I hate recommending push-up bras because it depends on what you look like. If you've got more of like a teardrop or pear-shaped breast where a lot of the breast tissue kind of hangs at the bottom, then, you know, that push-up bra that I would recommend is very different than someone who has gotten their boobs done and they just want, you know, they have a lot of chest and they want to bring it together. So it's very hard for me to recommend a push-up bra to you. I'm not recommending that you go out and buy this at all by any means, But for my particular shape and my particular size, the Very Sexy Style by Victoria's Secret was a very, very, very good bra for me. Now again, this is not in my right size. It's just because I'm too lazy and I'm waiting for all of these to fall apart so that I can go out and buy a whole new wardrobe in my right size. But this here I know is really popular. This makes me look really, really big. I don't always wear this, but I did wear it like on my birthday or when I do want to have that extra like va-va-voom look. It's really comfortable. I don't have any problems with it necessarily, but I think because I've worn this for so long and I've had this in my bra wardrobe for a really long time, it's definitely stretched out. And my last and final bra that I literally was obsessed with the entire year of 2018 since I got it is the True&Co True Body. I want to say this is the convertible. I don't know exactly what it's called, you guys. I'm sorry. I wish I knew the exact names. I'm going to leave it on the screen here. But this bra definitely changed the game for me. I love True&Co not only for its marketing strategy and the way that they feature all women of all different body types and all different skin color. I love this material that they make all of their underwear in. The True Body material is like amazing. It's a dream to be in. I love wearing their underwear. I honestly don't think I'll shop for underwear anywhere else. The True Body Hipster is my favorite style by far. It never gives me any lines, and I love the cut and where the seams lay on that underwear. But as I was saying, this is one of my favorites. It's convertible, so the straps I can wear, however I want to. I can cross it in the back. I can just leave it like this. It's like, this is my go-to traveling bra. This is a bra that I would wear when I'm sitting on the road for a long time. This is a bra I'd wear when I'm going on a flight. This is what I wore when I was flying on an airplane and things like that. I wear a 34 double D, and that means like I've got kind of a lot up top. It gets heavy, but this does such a good job at supporting me at the same time feeling like it's just an extra layer of skin. Those are all the bras. Again, you can get 10% off with the code INMYSEAMS. All of these bras are very well loved in my collection. These, I literally have tons and tons of bras. I don't go for them because I have these ready to go every single day. I'm actually today wearing the True&Co tank top. It's a bra, so it's like this, but it comes in a tank top style. So that's what I'm wearing today. I find that I can just wear it on its own. I can wear it over things like this. It's literally an extra layer of skin. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you love my bra series, check it out in the description. I'll have a full link to my playlist and at the end of this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, then please subscribe down below to my channel. I have an Instagram account, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. So if you guys want to see me on a more day-to-day basis and come hang out with me every single day, then make sure you come follow me there. Yeah, that is the end of today's video. I have nothing more to say, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.